Hi friends, welcome to Vaibhava English Academy. Today let us look at Gitanjali song number 21. We will be going into detailed analysis of the song. So coming to the song as such, I must launch out my boat. The languid hours pass by on the shore. Alas for me, the spring has done its flowering and then taken leave. And now, with the burden of faded futile flowers, I wait and linger. The waves have become clamorous, and upon the bank in the shady lane the yellow leaves flutter and fall. What emptiness do you gaze upon? Do you not feel a thrill passing through the air with the notes of the faraway song floating from another shore? So, this is the poem. Now, let us look at the detailed explanation. The poet is in remorseful mood. The opening lines of the song resembles the poem La Belle Dame Sans Mercy by John Keats. The poem can be understood in two different lights. The casual or the superficial meaning of the poem is that the poet is wondering how he would spend the autumn season. The poet laments that the spring season is over and there is only the sweet memories of spring. Now, autumn season has set in. The poet wants to set sail and leave for a distant land, but he is suffering from inaction. The same inaction which, uh, as we all know, T.S. Eliot's St. Thomas had faced the same inaction, the spiritual inaction. The poet wants to set sail and leave for a distant land, but he is suffering from inaction. Coming to the second meaning of the poem, the second meaning has the spiritual side of the poem. Here, in the poem, life is compared to the seasons. Spring season represents youth and autumn represents old age. The poet is thinking about his pleasant memories of his youthful days. I quote, the burden of faded futile flowers means that represents his cherished memories of his life. The poet should act according to the situation, but he is lacking the willpower to proceed with his life journey. Coming to the last line of the poem, there is a mention about the notes of the faraway song floating from the other shore represents him getting ready for his next journey. In Indian belief system, it is believed that when a soul is born on this earth, a journey is initiated. And when a soul leaves the human body, the soul is getting ready for yet another journey. Just like as a snake which sheds its skin, the human soul also sheds its human body and embarks on a new journey after death. So, this is the hidden meaning, or rather, the spiritual side of this poem. The man, an old man, he is thinking about his life. The beautiful memories of his life represents the spring season, which is over, and now it is the season of autumn or the fall, where he has only the remembrance of his life, and he is getting ready for a new journey. That means he might be thinking about his death. Tagore's idea of journey to the another land is also similar to W.B. Yeats's Sailing to Byzantium, which was published in 1928. That is it for now. Thank you so much.